everyone, my name is Mark Wendell Garcia and my nickname is Pongay, and I'm currently studying hospitality management. Today I want to talk about something very important, not just in the hospitality industry but in our everyday lives, and that is promoting multiculturalism, cultural sensitivity. And hospitality, we interact with people from many different backgrounds. That's why it's essential for us to create impulsive and welcoming environment for everyone. What is multiculturalism and cultural sensitivity? Multiculturalism is about recognizing, respecting, and valuing the diverse cultures that exist within our communities and workplaces. Cultural sensitivity means being aware that cultural differences exist and being respectful and open-minded in how we communicate and interact with others. In hospitality, this could mean understanding different dietary needs, religious custom, languages, traditions, and even body language. As an HM student, I believe I can promote multiculturalism and cultural sensitivity in several ways. Number one, educating myself. I take the time to learn about different cultures, especially those common among the guests or co-workers. I read, watch documentaries, and stay curious. Understanding helps me avoid stereotypes and assumptions. Number two, practicing inclusive communication. I try to use language that respectful and inclusive. For example, being aware of pronouns, avoiding slang that other may not understand, and listening more than I speak. Number three, creating inclusive experiences. Whether I'm planning an event or assisting with front desk service, I make sure that services are accessible to all guests. That could mean having multilingual menus, offering food operations that respect dietary restriction, or even recognizing cultural holidays. Number four, being a role model in the workplace. Even as a student, intern, or part-time worker, I try to lead by example. When I treat others with respect, curiosity, and empathy, it encouraged my team to do the same. Real-life applications. Let me give you an example. During my on-the-job training, we had guests from the Laos. I noticed some of my coworkers weren't sure how to greet them appropriately. So I took the initiative to explain that some cultures prefer not to shake hands with the opposite gender and suggested we greet them verbally instead. That small act made our guests feel more comfortable, and it also opened a conversation among my team about being culturally aware. That small act made our guests feel more comfortable and also opened a conversation among my team about being culturally aware. In the end, hospitality is all about making people feel at home no matter where they're from. As hospitality management student, I have the responsibility and the opportunity to create inclusive spaces where everyone feels respected and valued. Multiculturalism and cultural sensitivity aren't just concepts we learn in class. They're values we live by every day. Thank you.